I wanted to build a future, and I knew that alcohol was ruining my lives, my parents' lives, my children's lives. Yeah, it almost killed me. Almost took away everything I love. And then I found BACtrack. My name's Nash. I'm from Shelburne, Ontario. Started very young around the drinking culture, began in my teens, and I got into the nightclub business, and it was definitely a progression to the beginning of my alcoholism. I would work 18 hours a day, late nights, stay and party with the bands afterwards. Went through a marriage and had 2 young kids and quite a tough divorce situation, which only made my drinking worse. I got out of drinking. I was blessed. I met my wife now. Through the grace of her love and some determination, I got sober. During that, time of sobriety, I never really thought about drinking. I could be around it. A day came where I actually felt that maybe I wasn't an alcoholic. Maybe alcohol wasn't so bad. I believe a relapse starts long before you take that first drink. I started to fantasize and glorify my drinking past, which was dangerous for me. And I convinced myself that I don't have the disease. And it started with one at the local convenience store. The first drink, sure, it was fine. 5 minutes after that was gone, it just created that monster. I burned it to the ground, and unfortunately it started the ball rolling till I almost lost everything again. I almost lost the love of my life. My parents were done, and at that point I didn't care about me, which is so selfish. My wife, she had enough. It was over. So I started to sober up. I went and checked myself into rehab. I got sober. I white-knuckled it, tried to make amends. My wife, thank God, was still talking to me, and I had that tiny sliver of hope to win her back and be the man she deserved because I broke so much trust. Even when I was sober, she didn't fully embrace that was the truth. I was looking online and I saw an ad for SoberLink. At the time, as I said, I just blew all my money on rehab, and I was struggling with, you had to buy the equipment up front, sign on for a long-term monthly commitment, and it was thousands of dollars. And then as I was doing a little more research, I came across BACtrack. Same wonderful system, but it was affordable. And it showed up the next day. It was the easiest thing. It was almost instantaneously, comes back and shows a green mark with 3 zeros. And it felt amazing. And all of a sudden, boom, 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 it sends it out to my loved ones. I saw that glimmer of hope when my wife saw her first result and saw how it worked. It was so great to see a complete 0 test, and everybody got it. There was no questions, was Nash drinking? No. My wife and I are back together. My parents sent me an email seeing me back on my feet with my wife, with my kids, is the greatest gift I could give them. My message to anybody that's at rock bottom, what I have to say from my experience is BACtrack is such a powerful tool to give you back some self-respect, to build back some trust from your loved ones. It's effortless. There's no guessing games. It's like having my sponsor or whatever right on my shoulder all the time. It's changed my life. And I think it can help so many people. It won't break your bank. It's worth every penny and more. You got nothing to lose. Well, you got everything to lose, I should say. You got everything to lose. Give it a try.